Alright, this is Jack from VFX, and in this video we are going to create a split screen, something like this. So this is the split screen. We can use this technique in many scenarios when we are editing videos. By the way, she's pretty hot, isn't she? Right, so let's just get into the tutorial, right? So by the way, if you don't know about how I go to the full screen like this, it is the tilde key on your keyboard, and also you can make this completely full screen by like this by pressing the Control and tilde key on your keyboard, right? So if you're on Mac, it is Command and tilde key. So this is pretty useful if you want to use a full screen playback like this. Right, so it's a pretty useful shortcut. Right, so let's jump into the tutorial and let's see how to create this kind of split screen. So you can see I have two clips like this, and this is the second clip. So in order to create a split screen, you must overlay each clip top of the each clip. Right, so I put the second clip on the top of the first clip on the second track, right, like this. Now we cannot see the first clip. Now go to the effects panel and search the linear wipe. You can see I have already done that. You can type the linear wipe. So drag and drop this to the first clip, and once you do that, then go to the effects control panel and you can see the linear wipe settings. In here you can see transition completion, and you must make this 50% if you want to make this completely split screen, like this part is 50% and this part is 50%. Also you can control the wipe angle. So if you want this vertical, you can set 90 degrees, but if you want to horizontal, you can press 0 and enter. You can see now we can like this. Based on your situation, you can select the angle. You can control this angle for minus or plus 45 degrees like this, and you can adjust the transition as you like. There are some creative ways that you can use these things, and also there is another option, that is feather. Let's make this to default, and here you can see the feather. When you adjust the feather, you can feather this edge. Currently feather is 0, but if you increase this feather, you can blend these clips like this together, right? So based on your situation, you can use, like if you like this kind of blend, you can use this feather option. So this is how you use the linear wipe transition, and you can use this in creative way. So by the way, so according to your thoughts, which one is the hot girl, the left one or the right one? I'd like to know that in the comment section. So I'll see you guys with the next video tutorial, and I'm Jack with VFX. If you haven't subscribed to VFX, please subscribe. We do a lot of practical video editing tutorials for the video editors and a lot of YouTubers. And stay tuned with us. We provide a lot of information. You guys, see you next time.
Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost.